All right, we got the Armada Infraction. Ooh, 80+ miles an hour. Got my little camera set up right here. We're gonna play outside for a second before I leave. And start the camera. Okay, turn this bad mamma jamma on. It's pretty fun. I like it. It's pretty heavy though. I like my camera setup, huh, guys? Hope it don't break. That's my 11. Get some laps in real fast. That's not barely quarter throttle. I'm just I don't know why it's fishtailing though. I don't know why it's doing that. It's a little electric joint right here, boy. Got the snaps. I'll sit. Carry though. Damn it, cat. Yeah, I can't do that with this motherfucker. He ain't doing none of that. Well, we got some pep to him. Crazy how quiet electric is. It's crazy how quiet electric is. Let me scare Kato, get him scared.
Let me go put a hotter battery in.
This motherfucker has a handbrake and a brake. That's so cool.
Really?
Yeah. Has an e-brake, a handbrake and a brake. And I never had reverse.
So you can stand?
I can just, no, I can't stand it. No, they said it'll break the trans.
Oh.
Or the differential, whatever it said.
This battery's hot.
It's hot.
I think this is a hot battery. We'll see.
It take two for this big ass motherfucker. Ooh, that motherfucker's peppy. He peppy too, boy. He wanna pop a wheelie. Oh, turn it around. Whoa! Yo! At least he's in that lane over there. At least you good. As long as he stays in that lane. Oh, he was getting close. Oh, he skipped. Damn, that motherfucker jumped good. Are you better at driving it away from you or towards you?
Either way.
Yeah.
I've raced for a long time.
Oh yeah, I can tell you got skills.
But I think the batteries in here are low.
Woo! See how it does?
Yep.
Oh, it doesn't. Oh, I want you down, boy. Oh, I cut you down.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to get the other one. The other one was snapping, boy.
If you'll run this one down.
Oh yeah, the other one. Hang on. See this car doing. It sounds like a car doing that. Oh, Willie. Oh, we got the Willie over here. Oh, snap. Oh, you gonna do a Willie. You ain't gonna be able to take off. You're gonna do a rolling. Hitting 3-wheel motion.
Nah, something locked. It was a rock car.
Oh, good deal, good deal. Oh, let's get back over here. Car. Oh, my bad.
Nah, it was me.
My bad. I was not paying attention. Okay, let's get over here. Line them up. Line them up. Oh, that motherfucker still like hitting switches, boy. Like, that's a stadium truck, yeah.
A short course truck.
I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you take off. Every time you take off, that's where I'm gonna go.
Okay.
All right, ready? Whenever you decide to go.
2, 1. I can't.
Yeah, your shit gonna pop a wheelie. You gotta put some weight on that motherfucker. he peppy. Like, we're gonna have to roll. Okay, I've stopped. I know you. All right, here we go. Woo! Woo!
Yeah, I see the ass end. Okay.
It just starts fishtailing. Whoa. That little guy peppy though, boy. That little motherfucker peppy. Ooh. I'm stopping. Back in them days, the motherfuckers be losing signals. Oh, saved him. Oh.
That's what my battery's getting low in my radio.
Yeah. He running though. He running. Oh, and it's funny how 2 little cars can still almost hit each other. That shit is weird, man, ain't it, man? I don't know why he's doing it, but I don't like it.
I see these motherfuckers doing 160, 180 mile an hour runs. How tight do you have your steering set? How
loose? I mean, steering trim. I got the brake. Only got brake and steering rate. They said put that on high. They turn it off a little bit. It's the ECS. You turn it down. So
yeah, I was gonna say your steering rate might be too quick.
Let me see what it do. That's half throttle. I'm scared it's gonna fishtail. I'm gonna lose it.
Have you done any burnouts with it?
Nope.
Okay.
Just what you saw right there, probably the most I've done right there, racing you.
I'm talking about cleaning.
No.
Cleaning all the debris. Go up here where this water is.
You just run it.
No. Hold it to get some heat in your tire.
Oh, I'm good. I don't want to burn them bitches off. I'm good. Shit, I'm good.
I don't mean a lot.
Yeah,
like 2 seconds.
That was enough for me right there. I don't want to buy tires every day. Oh, it's a little better right there. Okay. That might have been it.
Yeah, to clean the debris off of?
No, I'm talking about turning the steering rate down. Okay. Yay. That might have been it.
That thing is fucking fast.
I didn't even full throttle in yet. I'm scared.
It sounds mean as shit. 48 pitch. It'll quieten down.
Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's running. Okay, let's see now. Let's see if I can put a run on this bitch now. Man, I can't really see it. Hang on. Half throttle. Full throttle. Oh! Okay, that was it. I gotta turn the steering rate down.
Yeah.
One more run. Here we go. Whoa, boy, that motherfucker running. Hey, he's stable now. Hey, there we go. Woo! Hey, look at that, straight as could be. Stayed in my lane, everything. Oh. Half throttle. Let's see. I need to put a light on this motherfucker. I see it. He got that snappy. Whoa, motherfucker, take it off though. Man, that thing is quiet as hell. See, I keep forgetting there's a little pothole right there. That's crucial right there. Let me get your way. I gotta watch you. Got the camera. I got the camera on now. We gotta get with the camera see. Oh, that motherfucker quiet as hell. It's like
See, this one ain't fat. I haven't even started tuning this one yet. That's absolutely bone stock.
That's about 50 miles an hour right there. You don't think so?
Not even close.
What you think? Think it's only going like what?
Probably 30.
No way. Oh shit.
I thought I heard something. Oh, yeah.
You think that's 30 miles an hour?
Yeah.
I mean, you would know. I mean, he's doing 40. So, and he had a running start on you. Oh.
See it? It runs out quick.
Yeah. Okay, I see it now. That thing is smooth though, quiet. Oh, I'm glad you told me to turn that speed rate down. Whoa. Get you in video. What you? I need you in front. I need the content. I'm watching you. Okay, you can go all the way down there. Okay, hang on, car coming. We got. I need you in front of me. Oh, that motherfucker stopped on point though, boy. Man, for him to be only 30 plus miles an hour, man, that motherfucker smooth though, and he's still snappy. Whoa! Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad, my guy.
You good?
Oh, I didn't mean to get you. That's gonna be a good video though. We got your way.
Yeah, you good.
My
It's
bad.
got guards on the side.
Okay, good deal.
So this and my truck are the same exact chassis. That Chevy truck,
Yeah.
the same exact chassis.
Woo-hoo! Boy, the brakes for 25%, that's pretty good though. Look at this coaster. Oh! Oh, car. Why they coast like that? That's normal?
Because you don't have any roll brake in it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it has a set. My it has
Post
it.
brake,
Yeah.
like, yeah.
And I don't have a set like my. It has the 8 has a handbrake and it has the roll brake where you can let it just coast or not coast. But I don't have it set yet, so
And
yeah.
you can, so like, well, we'll wait.
Get back, go. Well, you stay right there. Hey, you stay over there.
Man, come on now. Because you out here, Pops.
Like, hey, why can't I be out there? Is that not hurting it though? Hitting my brakes though like that? That noise?
No.
That's normal?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if that was normal or not. That didn't sound. It doesn't sound normal.
Because you've got big gears.
I'm gonna turn it around. I need a light on it.
Hell, that's far enough.
I mean, yeah, I can't see it now. I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Shit, that motherfucker is moving.
Ain't he though? Ain't he straight?
Yeah.
Let's see. Get up the white line a little bit. That's 3/4 throttle. Oh. Yeah, when I brake, man, that does hit the front end.
Yeah.
Hits the front end grabs. Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh, little rock right there. Oh, car! There's my handbrake. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with electric. I must say, I'm impressed with electric. I can't wait to put that 80-mile-an-hour gear in here. Hit that damn mug. Hey,
you gonna get in trouble, man.
Let me scare his ass real fast.
Want me to get him?
Go ahead. Here's,
I'll push him back.
get him back there. Let's both get him. Attack of the cat. Where'd he go? Wah! Wah! Wah!
Where'd he go?
Oh, he went inside. Oh, you know, he's behind the car. There he is right there. Oh, he went inside. You better go in there. You better go. Go figure 8 around this. Either way you want to go, clockwise, counterclockwise, either way.
I can't with this.
Oh, because it's a drag car?
Yeah, it doesn't steer worth shit.
Oh, damn. I got that big ass bumper in the front of that motherfucker, but damn.
And they look badass. You can put regular road tires on.
I mean, ain't that my Jado thing? Ain't that the same? I mean, it's the same body style as that?
No.
No?
This is a little bit bigger than your Jado.
Oh, okay.
This is a short course truck. This is the same as the Jado. Oh, no, this is the Jado is a stadium truck.
Yeah, stadium truck,
So it's got longer. So you could put, yeah, you probably could do it with a Jado.
Let me see. I got some money in this Jado, boy. I'll put some bread in this thing. I got. See, even the Jado feels, well, Jado feels pretty light. It feels pretty light. Put some D's on that bitch. Well, I got some money in that motherfucker.
Yeah, you could do it with the Jado. So all you would have to do, really, shorter arms. So what's the other? Put shorter arms on the front and shorter shocks, and then you're going to get smaller tires, and you're going to get a. I don't know if the drag. See what that wheel will.
Oh no. Too small. I'm scared to run on the shoulder. All the rocks in the. Man, oh!
Damn it.
Oh, can I push him over?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. I don't want to scratch him. I don't want to scratch him.
Dude, this body is so old.
Oh, I try to get him. Oh, almost got him.
If you can spin that motherfucker, it'll flip.
No. Damn, I want to keep hitting him, man.
Right.
Okay, I want to keep hitting your guy.
He bad.
He bad. He poor guy. He's like, help me.
Oh, my bearing watch.
Woo, hit him tires. Hit him tires, boy. Motherfuckers, you hear him gripping grain, boy. Yeah, motherfucker be tucking when you hit the brakes. It's like, skirt.
Damn.
That was half throttle. Quarter, almost half throttle.
That thing is nasty.
I can't wait for that 80-mile-an-hour gear on there. Oh, we got a little racetrack right here. Oh, that's what it was. There's a pothole right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't think I need 50% brake. I think 25. 25 is pretty good. Make a broke bitch, put her hands on her knees. Oh, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. On that ass. I was on that ass. Oh, I can catch him.
And it really is just like a car, dude. Once you get heat in the tires, that's when it'll start running good. That's why I was telling you, do a little quick 2.
Man, that thing stays straight though. Oh, lost. Ooh, oh.
What lifted up?
I don't know. I must have hit I think it hit that pothole down there. No speed run. Whoa. Think you what?
I think I'm gonna get addicted to speed on these motherfuckers again.
Yep, I am definitely addicted to the speed. I want to run a car down this bitch doing 100, 120. Just
You really want to do that?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and tune them up.
Oh. Yep, I want to.
I'm gonna go ahead and tune them up then.
I want to at least be able to run 100. I want to be triple digits.
Look.
I want to be triple digits.
Okay.
Oh, you can try and get him up there.
Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna come back with some speed.
Yeah. Oh,
I got
shit.
to come back with some speed.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Well, you got that little fast whippersnapper. You just gotta get the spare gear back in him.
Oh no, I can get some speed out of some of the other stuff too.
Oh, that one you got snapping, boy. That little fucker snapping. I'm gonna have the Vortec for him though.
Okay.
Well, he gonna be ready in a couple days. So you need.
I'm gonna have this one ready for that one.
Okay. But he about to be 80 miles an hour tomorrow. Oh, you buttoned it. Oh, he jumped right up on the rock. Rock climbing that shit.
Huh?
Oh, you want to line him up?
Ready?
You call it.
Gone. See ya.
Yeah.
Put the bearings down on that one.
Out of there.
Well, that was gone.
Did you had it recorded?
Yeah, I got that on camera. That's good. That's gonna be a short right there.
Yep.
It's gonna be my short for the night. And what you gonna do to make it? What you gonna do?
Oh,
You gonna put a new motor in it?
Yeah, I got motors.
You gonna put like what? 2 motors in there or something?
No, I got I think this is a 13.5.
I don't know what those numbers mean.
Right. I think this is a 13.5. I got a 10.5 at home. It's a that thing right there, bro. That's like an 8. That's probably like an 8.5.
What's that mean?
The winding. But that's a big 8.5 though. It's probably, you know how many kV that is?
No. What you mean, like kilowatts?
Yeah.
Nope.
So let me see that big bastard.
See how hot this motherfucker. I was doing some good runs that time.
I gotta see.